The best side hustles to start in 2025 for maximum profitability. In today's rapidly evolving world, side hustles have become an essential part of the modern lifestyle. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, explore a passion project, or eventually transition to full-time entrepreneurship, side hustles offer a wealth of opportunities. In 2025, the side hustle landscape is filled with exciting prospects, thanks to advancements in technology, shifts in consumer behavior, and changing market demands. This video will explore the best side hustles to start in 2025 for maximum profitability, from tech-driven opportunities to creative ventures. 1. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce has experienced explosive growth in recent years, and the trend is expected to continue in 2025. With platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, it's easier than ever to start your online store. Among the most popular models for beginners is dropshipping, where you sell products without holding any inventory. The key to success in e-commerce and dropshipping lies in identifying trending products that have high demand but limited competition. In 2025, look for niche markets, eco-friendly products, and innovative gadgets that align with the growing focus on sustainability. 2. Freelance writing and content creation. The demand for quality content is at an all-time high. Whether it's blog posts, articles, website copy, or social media content, businesses are constantly on the lookout for skilled writers. If you have a passion for writing and a knack for storytelling, freelance writing can be an incredibly profitable side hustle in 2025. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide a steady stream of clients. Looking for content creators? You can start by offering services in your area of expertise, whether it's technology, health, finance, or lifestyle. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has emerged as one of the most profitable side hustles in recent years. By promoting products or services on your blog, website, or social media platforms, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. In 2025, affiliate marketing will continue to thrive, especially as more companies embrace online advertising and influencer partnerships. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to identify products that align with your audience's interests. Whether it's tech gadgets, health supplements, or financial tools, your goal is to recommend products that offer value to your followers. Successful affiliate marketers often build niche websites, create in-depth reviews, and leverage SEO techniques to drive traffic to their content. 4. Online coaching and consulting. If you have expertise in a specific field, consider offering coaching or consulting services. In 2025, the online education and coaching industry is booming, with people increasingly turning to experts for personal growth, career advice, and business guidance. Whether you specialize in business coaching, fitness training, personal finance, or career development, there is a growing demand for one-on-one mentorship and group coaching programs. The beauty of coaching and consulting is that it can be done remotely, and you can set your own rates. Platforms like Zoom and Skype make it easy to connect with clients around the world, and social media allows you to market your services to a global audience. 5. Real estate investment. Real estate remains one of the most profitable ways to build long-term wealth. While traditionally requiring significant upfront capital, in 2025, new opportunities are emerging that make real estate investment more accessible to side hustlers. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow individuals to invest in real estate with as little as $500, enabling you to participate in property ownership without buying a physical property. Another approach is Airbnb hosting. If you have a spare room, a vacation property, or are willing to rent a space short-term, hosting on Airbnb can generate substantial passive income. The key is ensuring your property stands out through high-quality photos, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service. 6. Social media management. As businesses increasingly rely on social media to connect with customers, the demand for social media managers has skyrocketed. If you have experience with platforms like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok, social media management can be a highly profitable side hustle in 2025. To succeed in this side hustle, you need to understand social media trends, create engaging content, and track analytics to measure success. Offering services like content creation, scheduling, community engagement, and paid advertising campaigns can set you apart from other social media managers. 7. Stock photography and videography. If you have a passion for photography or videography, selling your work online can become a profitable side hustle. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow photographers and videographers to upload their content and earn royalties whenever someone purchases their images or videos. To succeed in this space, focus on creating high-quality, in-demand content. Think about what industries are using stock photography. Business, travel, health, and technology are some of the top niches. 8. Virtual assistant services. As entrepreneurs and businesses focus on scaling, they often need help with administrative tasks. Virtual assistants, VAs, provide remote support with tasks such as scheduling, email management, social media handling, customer service, and data entry. In 2025, the demand for virtual assistants is expected to rise, especially as more companies embrace remote work and digital transformation. To start as a virtual assistant, identify the tasks you excel at and market yourself to entrepreneurs and businesses that may need help in those areas. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Belay offer excellent opportunities to connect with clients. As a virtual assistant, you can build a flexible, profitable side hustle while gaining valuable experience in different aspects of business operations. 9. App and software development. If you have coding skills or an interest in technology, app and software development offer some of the most lucrative side hustle opportunities in 2025. With the ever-growing demand for mobile apps and software solutions, skilled developers are in high demand. You can develop your own apps, offering them on platforms like the App Store or Google Play, or work as a freelancer to create custom software solutions for businesses. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.